welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Tanya. I am a business coach, marketing strategist, and launch copywriter for online course creators, coaches, and entrepreneurs that are looking to monetize their knowledge and turn it into information products that are lucrative. Now, on today's video, this is a quick intro. I am going to be sharing a quick snippet from a coaching call I had with one of my mentees. She's amazing at what she does. She's great. She has a great OBM business that is fantastic. If you are looking for an OBM for your business, a sales support for your business, I'll link the details down below. She's been amazing with my business, and it has been such a pleasure being able to coach her into doing what she loves. Now, today's video, I am sharing the snippet on copywriting that we did on a coaching call, and I'm just sharing a number of frameworks that could help you sell a lot more courses or coaching programs. The frameworks that I use, that I have used for clients as a copywriter and as for myself as well, that are a lot more persuasive when it comes to get in your prospects to move in a certain direction that you prefer. So I'll be sharing the frameworks, the different frameworks that I use that are very persuasive. And before we jump into this whole session, I would like to invite you to check out my free masterclass that helps you create online courses. If this is just something that is coming to your mind and you're not sure if you should be doing it, or check out the masterclass. It definitely would help you and give you a blueprint that you can follow and that you can think about when it comes to creating your online course. And if you are looking to create an online course and would like help or would like assistance and would like guidance in that regard, please go ahead and book a roadmap to 10K down in the description box below. I assist a lot of coaches and creators develop their courses, their mid to high ticket courses, so that they can start generating money online without working a lot more. So we are going to jump straight into today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Turn on your notification bell because I will be dropping a number of helpful videos that are definitely going to help you on your journey. So you want to be subscribed, you want to stay around so that you are fed and helped and supported even through these regular weekly sections. I'll see you guys next time. All right. So I'm going to start over with the frameworks. The first framework is PAS, PAS, which is problem, agitate, solution. The second framework is a popular one known also in the content creation space. It is AIDA. You can recognize it even sometimes in adverts that you see on TV, which is attention. The first A is for attention. The second and I is interest. You elicit interest. Then D is for desire. You create desire in the person. And the last A is action, for them to take action. One of the most popular as well that I often use, you will find it in a lot of the copy that I write when it comes to sales pages and sales letter, is the 4 P's. And most of the time would use the 4 P's, which is the first P is problem, second P is promise, third P is proof, and the last P is push. If you go in on the simple online business roadmap, you will recognize that a lot of the, though I mixed a lot of the framework together, you will recognize in certain part of the letter of the sales page, you will recognize the structure. Problem, promise, I make a promise, I show you proof from other people that have done it, and then I push you. to take an action. Another one that is very popular that I also use, it's called Quest. Quest, like the agency that we are familiar with here for work. QUEST. Q will stand for qualify, state who it is for, or state who it isn't for. You will be understand, show them that you know what they are going through, emphasize with them. E will be educate on the problem. S will be stimulate, show them why the change is good. And T would be the transition, get them to take a certain step. This formula is often great if the sales page is the sales letter or the email is only to take, it's aimed at getting them to take an action that is not always necessarily buying, which is often maybe booking an appointment. We often use Quest. And you will see that when you're writing cold email, you will see that you can start to notice that you've been using this particular formula, because you usually qualify them, because you tell them about the achievement, you understand them, you show them that you understand, then you educate them on the opportunity and show them how this could change them if they, let's say, create a course, and you transition by asking them to take an action that is not necessarily getting them to take out their credit card. This is most of the time a direct response copywriting framework. Another one that you often see is slap, just like a slap. It is often used for Facebook ads or any ad that is meant to stop you from scrolling. So SLAP stands for S stands for stop, L stands for look, A for act, and P for purchase. These are often used to get people to, it's also a direct response copywriting framework. When you are, let's say, creating a post on someone, telling people to either join your Facebook group, or you are trying to get people to buy. If you are using it to get people to buy, it's often for low ticket offers, things that people can afford to just spend on them and not think about it too much. Another one is the 4 C's. The 4 C's is the copy is clear who it is speaking to. It's concise. It's not a long copy. It's not a long form of copy. You often find this in email marketing. It's compelling and it's credible. It's not something making outrageous claims. So the 4 C's: clear, concise, compelling, and credible. You then have the 4 U's: useful, urgent, unique, and ultra specific. Now, some of the ones that I like to use, which is a very popular in any of my copy, I most of the time use PASS, EDA, 4 P's. I'll use Quest, I use SLAP, and I use the following 2 that I'm going to share with you. I rarely use the 4 C's or the 4 U's. I use FAB, which is feature, advantage, and benefit. I show you what you are getting. I show you why the advantage is, why you should get it. If you get it, what are you getting? And benefit of what you are getting. Or I will use the before and after bridge, which also known as BAB. It's what life is now, what it will be after, and what you get, how you get there. So before, after, and the bridge is how you get there, and that is how and when I pitch the product. So before would be you're struggling with A. What if you could be B? You could get B, and now this